daddy. Oh, she believed in him. Hi, I'm Vasco, and today I'm going to show you how I'm playing Daddy Cool on the ukulele by Boney M. We'll do it on a high G string ukulele, although this will work very good on a low G as well, but in me I have a high G right now. We'll play 2 half tones higher than the original because that way it fits the ukulele way better. And yeah, let's see how to play this one. Alright, first we have this little instrumental part which goes between G minor and F. And I would like to show you a little detail that I'm doing here. It sounds like... Alright, this will work a little bit better if you have a low G string ukulele because these last few tones are supposed to be 1 octave lower. But let me come a little bit closer to show you exactly what I'm doing on this. So playing the G minor here, but mostly the E string, C, E, and here we have this on the C string, 2nd to 3rd, on the E string, 1st to 3rd, and then A string open, right? And then grabbing F, where we do dun, 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 E, C, E, and here C string, pulling down to open, and here on the G string, 3 to open. And then we have the main part, which again starts with G minor to F, but then we have D minor, back to G minor. All right? She's crazy like a fool. What about Daddy Cool? Pretty much we're repeating this throughout most of the song, except where you have the instrumental part between the verses. Daddy, Daddy Cool, Daddy, Daddy Cool, Daddy, Daddy Cool, Daddy, Daddy Cool. And also one detail that I would like to point out here is that every second chord is coming a little bit earlier, so it's 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 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 the strumming I'm doing is something like 3, 4, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, down, up, down, 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 down. Well, not exactly the same thing every time. It's a little bit variable, but something like this. Of course, feel free to do your own thing. It's not so important to follow some strumming pattern super strictly for this song, so yeah. And also on the main part, there's a little element that you can add. On G minor, down, down, up, down, down, up, da, da, da. This is A, E, C, and then down, down, up, down, down, up. And here we have C string, E string 1st fret, and 1st to hammer on 3rd. So. And also there is one last part, which is the bridge, where we have again G to F, but quicker this time. Da, 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 da. Here we have E flat, which is a new chord. And I believe the lyrics are something like, she's crazy about her daddy. And then, oh, she believes in him. And here, D minor, where we build up basically the dynamic to enter into the main part again. And on the bridge we are doing basically just down strums, except for the last D minor where we are doing the build up. So, oh, she's crazy about her daddy. She believes in him. She's crazy like a fool. What about daddy cool? She's crazy like a fool. What about daddy cool? Daddy cool. And pretty much this sums up my tutorial for Daddy Cool. Thank you very much for watching it. I hope you enjoyed these few minutes with me. And if you did, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and you'll see me on the next one. Goodbye.